Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're going to be changing a dip beam bulb on the Volvo here. Nice simple little job. Mrs DL just took the car out to get some pizzas and managed to break a bulb. So let's get straight at, she's looking at me behind the camera. So obviously 9 times out of 10 you don't even notice the bulb's gone, but obviously the car will tell you. So if you come round here, we'll just turn the ignition on. It doesn't immediately come up. There you go. Bulb failure, dipped beam. And if you go round, you'll see that it's the front right bulb. Now, I just happen...
How do you know that?
...to have the perfect bulb in my car. So let's get straight into it with the help of some Labradors. Out the way. Okay, so what you need to do, put the bonnet. These are brilliantly designed, these cars. So what you have to do is pull 2 pins out like so. The whole headlight cluster will now pull out. And you can either take this off or not. I will do it, just that's what you're meant to do, but 9 times out of 10 I don't bother. Pop these 2 flaps off here. There's a metal clip just here that you need to pull back. There we go, that works straight away. And the one you want is on the right hand side here. Mine's held with a bit of string from a COVID mask. Long story short, it had a problem with the stabilisation and that fixed it. So all we need to do is manipulate the bulb out just by tilting it. There is our blow bulb. That's gone big style. I don't know if you can see that, but there's no filament left in it. You can see it moving about.
Give it to her.
You can see the filament there is just rolling around. So that's definitely gone. Just compare it to your new bulb. Make sure it is the same one, which obviously it is on this one, because I know what type of bulb it is. Here we go. Now the trick is you don't really want to touch these bulbs, and these ones give you a nice big base to hold. Plug it in like so, and now you just need to feed it in. You've got to sort of push in the flat bit first. There we go, just like that. So it's nice and secured. Dog saying hello to the neighbours. Replace the clips here. Like so. Slide the headlights back in. Just make sure it lines up properly. Bung the 2 new pins in. Or 2 pins back in. Thank you, Mitzi. Now let's just check if it works. Just gonna turn the ignition on. Now let's see. Got no message, which is good. Just have a look at the... just like that. How long did that take?
2 minutes 55.
So, thank you to Volvo for making such an easy to change headlight. I don't even think they should all just be that easy. It would make far too much sense. But anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Cheers.